Hello, this is Steve Michelescu for AEP 800. This is my number four. This is the Phet Simulations. I would say really a classic in a science classroom. We'll talk about that later, but the reason why I listed this because students can practice lab experiments in a virtual environment. It's ideal for the visual learner. And the audience, why I made these videos for novice teachers and teachers looking for visual activities. That's really important. Most of us are visual learners, including myself. So, a couple of standards from ISTE. I would say 3.4b, the system designer. The keyword here is resources. And then also 3.4d, again, the system designer. And the keyword here is establishing partnerships. And in this case, that's with the University of Colorado. Because they're the ones making this, they have fantastic simulation. I'm going to click on the link. And especially if you teach something like a science, I'm going to click on chemistry. That goes automatically, of course, me being a chemistry teacher. You see that this is available in HTML5. We have some general chemistry, we got some quantum chemistry. So, yeah, I would say if I need to click on one, say we're going to click on this one. If I talk about a nucleus, and I tell my students this is something that we of course cannot see, they can build their own nucleus, something they can see in this virtual environment, and I think that's really useful. So this is a prototype. I haven't used this one yet. If I look at it, I'm gonna use that for sure in nuclear chemistry. Density is another one which we will be using for sure. I would say all of these are really important in a science class because, for example, again, if you look at balancing chemical reactions or equations, something what you want to see. In this case, you use a pivot, which is an excellent method to discuss balancing chemical equations. So again, this is something which this is a must-have in any science room. And I hope that this is useful for anybody teaching science. Thanks again.